Now we're going to look at matching lines that only contain certain characters. So to match lines that only contain certain characters, we're going to use the regular expression caret. We're going to encapsulate the characters we want to find in square brackets here, and then star $sign. In this case, characters are the ones we want to match. So we're going to look for A, E, I, O, or U in the book text file. And we're going to do it with a -I. We're going to say, hey, find all characters in the book file, or all lines that contain A, E, I, O, or U, which are vowels in this option. Okay. Let's check that out. Guys, since these are vowels, we're probably going to get a lot of results back, right? You need vowels to spell words, so we're probably about to get a lot of words back if I had to guess. Okay, so we do grep -I, case insensitive, single quotes, because we always want to encapsulate the string we're looking for in single quotes when we're using grep. And we're saying find all the characters A, E, I, or U inside these square brackets. So square brackets is how we look for certain characters. We hit enter. Yep, sure enough, we get tons of results back. But as you notice, it's only highlighting A, E, I, O, or U. I could do the same thing. I could do grep. Actually, let me clear my screen. I could do grep -I, single quote, square bracket, and I could say, hey, just find O, square bracket, single quote, book. There you go. It's going to give me every line that contains O. Notice some of these are double O's. And the reason it's giving me both O's here is because when we're going through a shell script or a text file, remember that it interprets it line by line, character by character. So it goes through this first line, it says, here's an O, and then goes to the next one and says, hey, here's another O, and it keeps going and says, hey, here's an O. So that's why it's showing both O's in this case, is because it's looking at each one of those individually and it's saying, that's an O, and it's just highlighting it for me, okay? It wasn't searching for double O's. It was just searching for any O's. So that's a handy way to find only certain characters inside shell scripts or text files using grep.